see it today. I just love it when you call me Kay. It don't matter what we're doing. Nowhere I'd rather be, so time just races by. You're my high.
Hi guys, it's Lana here, and today you're going to get ready with me for Valentine's Day. Okay, so for date night, I want to get out of this oodie and I want to get clean. And even if I wasn't going on a date tonight, I'd still want to make sure that I was taking this time for me, really showing myself that level of self-love and self-care by staying hygienic and kind of pampering myself a little bit. So I'm going to use the Aveda Nutraplenish Deep Moisture Shampoo, and not only is this going to cleanse my hair, but it's going to make sure that it feels really moisturized as well. So I'm definitely focusing that on my scalp, but I do also run that through the lengths of my hair as well, and this is just going to make sure that if anyone runs their hands through my hair tonight, it's going to feel clean. Because you guys know what I mean, like when you touch your own scalp and it kind of feels like it's got buildup on it. I don't want any of that. So then I rinse it all out and I go in with the Aveda Nutraplenish Deep Moisture Conditioner. So I run that all over my hair, and with that on my hair, that's when I detangle as well, because the conditioner really helps to detangle. I finger detangle lightly first, and then I go in with a brush and just make sure that all of the tangles are out of my hair. Then I rinse, and I figured that now is a good time to use a moisture mask as well, because I just want my hair to feel so soft and moisturized today. So I'm using the Aveda Nutraplenish Treatment Mask. I'm going to apply that all over my hair, and then I'm just going to wrap my hair up and stick a foil cap on over the top of it. So these foil caps really help to get the treatment working, and I'm going to leave that on for about 10 minutes while I do the rest of everything else that I do in the shower. So I am just cleaning. I use a loofah every time because it just really helps to exfoliate, and then I actually apply like a little bit of conditioner onto my legs while I shave as well. I feel like that really helps to not get any nicks and cuts, and I always just forget to buy shaving gel. Like I never use shaving gel, but the conditioner really helps. So when I'm done in the shower and I've rinsed everything out of my hair, then I can go in with the rest of my curly hair routine. So I'm using the Quench and Curl leave-in conditioner from Rhyme and Reason. I love this stuff. It's all vegan, cruelty-free, sustainable, everything that you could wish for in a leave-in conditioner. So I run that all through my hair, and I am going to use the Demon brush a little bit because I do just want the juicy popping defined curls tonight. It's a special occasion. So then I'm going to use the Aveda Nutraplenish Curl Jelly. I've actually never used this before. I figured it would be quite light, and I didn't want anything too heavy or even crunchy tonight, and this actually ended up working perfectly. So then I just plop my hair. I'm using a microfiber towel, and this is just how I dry my hair in the gentlest way possible. And then I want to take care of the rest of my body as well, so I'm using the liquid collagen body milk from the Algenist all over my body. I want to give a special treatment to my lips as well, so I'm going to use this lip scrub from Planet Revolution. This is going to exfoliate my lips and get them really nice and smooth, and I'm going to follow up with their lip mask as well, and this is just going to nourish and plump my lips so that they're so soft. And then I really want to do an at-home pedicure, so I got this pedi in a box from Voesh, and I chose the chocolate one because it just smelled so sweet. It comes with a soak, a scrub, a mask, and a butter, and I just sit there and relax for a little while. I was actually watching some TV while I did this, and my feet at the end were just so soft. I couldn't believe that my feet could be so soft, and I finished up by painting my toenails red for the occasion. And yeah, I really loved this at-home pedicure. It made me feel so special, and this is something I would do, you know, just to treat myself, even if I'm not going out anywhere. Okay, so makeup is on. I'm wearing a red lip, of course. I'm just going to start this hairstyle. I'm showing you two hairstyles. I'm going to start this one just by separating out my hair, making sure there's no tangles or anything. I'm going to use the Bumble and Bumble Invisible Oil and run this all over my hair. This makes my hair so soft and shiny and touchable. You know, that's really going to be important tonight. So then I'm going to use an Afro comb. Just pick out my hair, give it a lot of volume, and make sure that it's ready to start this hairstyle. I'm using roses as well, so I will leave these linked down below. I got them on Amazon and I really love them. So first of all, I'm going to leave my fringe out for this hairstyle, so I'm just going to take that out, and then I'm going to section off the side pieces just to make sure these are out of the way. We're going to come back to those later, and then we can work on the back of my hair. So I'm going to flip the top half forward so that I can tie the bottom half together, and this is just for safekeeping. It's not going to stay this way. And then I'm going to bring the top half back down again and tie that as well. And then we can work on the actual hairstyle. So I'm going to bring those two side pieces together and tie them. And I'm using a satin scrunchie. All the scrunchies that I'm using are from my brand, HEADCHIE, and I'll leave that linked down below. And then I'm going to flip this back on itself. I think you guys know what this is. So you flip the pony inside of itself, and I'm going to do that twice so that it gives a really pronounced twist like this. So then I just loosen that slightly so that I can twist it around and it'll make a little loop, and then I bring that middle section through the loop. I'm going to take out that hair tie that was holding together the middle section because we don't need that, and I'm going to bring the middle section through the loop of the twist. I really hope that makes sense, and it should look like this when you're done. And then you can take the hair tie out of the bottom section as well because that was only there for safekeeping, and then you have this twist, which I really love. You can definitely leave it like that, but you know how I love to accessorize, so I'm gonna bring those roses back and I'm gonna place those on one side of the twist so that it kind of looks like they're growing out of one side of the twist. I really love this, and my friend even told me that she thought it would make a good bridal hairstyle, so that's exciting. But yeah, it's just a really lovely romantic hairstyle. Let me know what you think. Okay, so this next hairstyle is definitely for more of a casual date night vibe. So I'm just going to separate out my fringe. I want this to be quite even on both sides. I want it to look quite neat as well. So you can even use a pintail comb for this, which is what I'm doing. I like it to be a kind of triangular section like this. And then I am going to do a half up, half down. So I'm going to take the top half up and I'm just gonna kind of smooth that out. I'm just using an edge brush for this because I don't want to brush out my curls. But if this was more to like the end of wash day, then feel free to brush out your curls. So then I'm just gonna sleek that back down again with some product this time. And then I want to work on my fringe because it went kind of frizzy, and your fringe is what frames your face. And on date night, that's especially important. So I'm gonna style my fringe in 2 different ways and show you a little hack, and you guys can let me know what you think. The first way is going to be with these flexi rods. So these are like jumbo flexi rods, and I got them in Primark, I think. So first of all, I'm going to spray my hair wet lightly, brush it out, and then wrap it around the flexi rod. I always try to think about how I want my hair to curl, kind of what direction I want it to go in, and I just wrap it like that. And then once it's wrapped, I fold down the edges and I leave it there to dry. So when it's completely dry, I unravel it and I'll have this springy, perfect, shiny curl that's really pretty, but it doesn't necessarily frame my face exactly how I would like it to. So I'm going to show you another way that does involve heat, but it's going to be very flattering. So I'm going to use this corkscrew curler. I'm just going to wrap my hair around that just for a few seconds. And when I let it drop, you'll see what I mean. So this is framing my face. You see it comes in at my forehead and makes my forehead look smaller. It goes out around my eyes and allows my eyes to shine. And then it moves around the contours of my cheekbones, allowing me to have defined cheekbones and a softened jawline as well. You can definitely see the difference between the one ringlet that just drops straight down and then the wave that kind of contours my face. So I'm actually going to do that on both sides. I just feel like even though I don't want to use heat all the time, this is maybe great for date night because it allows your date to just see your face clearly. All of your features are accentuated. I just really love it. Let me know what you think. Are you just die hard against heat, or can you make an exception for Valentine's Day? This is great if maybe you're going to go for dinner, or you know, even just a day at a theme park or something like that. A really cute date where your date can see your face clearly and watch you glow. And that is it for my Valentine's Get Ready With Me. And if you don't have anywhere to go, then don't even worry about it. I'm not going anywhere either. Like, as I record this voiceover, I'm currently at home with a swollen cheek. It's a dentist appointment gone wrong. My face is the size of a balloon and it's kind of painful. So I'm just sitting here feeling sorry for myself. But I'm happy. I'm still happy. Like, join me. We can do an at-home pedi together. We can play with our hair and make ourselves look cute. We can get together with our friends and just have a really good time. If you liked this video, oh my gosh, I can't speak with my mouth like this. If you liked this video, please thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing. I wish you the sweetest weekend and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.